Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get to your OneNote notebook from Canvas. So what you're going to do is you're going to find our Avid 9 course. Then you can do two different things. You can either down here, you can click on Planner or eBinder because they're both going to take you to the same place. Or I think over here, you guys will be able to see class notebook and you can click over here too. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click there and then it's going to ask you to sign in. Okay. And it might pop up, it might not. We'll see what happens here. Okay, now obviously mine looks a little bit different because I'm a teacher and so it wants me to set something up. But for you, it should just come up to, let's see, open your class notebook. So it might come up online. It might also give you the option to use the desktop app, which is where you'll go down here and get into your desktop app. So either way, you should, when you get to OneNote, it should open up the welcome page, which is welcome to Avid 9. My introduction video is here for you. And then you should also be able to see your HHS schedule, which I created to show you guys what we're going to be doing during remote learning. And then you have the collaboration space in the content library, and then it should be something with your name. Now, you won't really have anything else yet. So what you're going to do is either in Teams, okay, you can do it in Teams, in the chat. So like, let's say I'm in Pride 1. You can write me a message in Teams that says that you open your notebook. You can write me a message in Canvas to say you open your notebook any way that you need to so that I can share this week's folder with you. So mine looks like this, and I'll be able to share this August planner, okay, where you can keep track of your assignments, and then everything we have for Avid for week 1, I will be able to share those with you as soon as you let me know that you're in. Okay, so get into your class notebook and then send me a message that says you're in, and I'll send you everything you need, all right? Good luck.